In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables using Wizard in LibreOffice Base. First, open LibreOffice and choose Base, the database tool. In the Startup dialog, select Create a new database, click Next, then click Finish, and save the database file with a clear name so you can find it easily later. With the database open, look at the left panel and select Tables. Click Use Wizard to create table. This opens the Table Wizard, which guides you through setup so you don't have to design everything from scratch. Begin by choosing a category. You'll see Business and Personal. These categories group sample tables. Pick the one that best matches what you're building so the suggested fields are closer to your needs. Next, choose a sample table such as customers, products, or employees. When you click a sample, the wizard shows the fields it contains. This preview helps you see what information is typically tracked for that type of table and gives you a solid starting point. Now select your fields. From available fields, highlight what you want and use the arrow to move them to selected fields. Repeat until you have everything you need. Keep the table focused. Include only the fields you plan to track to make data entry simpler and reports cleaner. Then adjust field types and formats. Click each field and set the appropriate data type, like text, number, or date, and adjust the length for text where needed. Choose types that match the values you'll enter. For example, use date for dates rather than text, and set sensible lengths so entries aren't cut off. Set a primary key. Choosing to create a primary key automatically is recommended. This adds a unique identifier for every record, which keeps your data consistent and makes searching, sorting, and linking tables reliable. Name your table with something concise and meaningful. For example, client list. Decide whether to insert data immediately, which opens the table for editing, or modify table design if you want to fine-tune the structure before entering anything. Click Finish. Your new table appears under Tables and is ready to use. Start adding data directly in the table grid. Each row represents one record, and each column corresponds to a field. Move across fields as you type, keep formats consistent, and, if needed, return to design later to adjust a field without losing existing data. That's all it takes to create a polished, reliable table using the wizard